Gary Godin and welcome back to BG Tips. But I apologise, there won't be many tips this week. But I thought I'd give you guys an update. I've set all of this up, it's taken me hours. I thought I'd actually show you how much effort I go to set all of this up. But the next video was meant to be how to pack your bike. But this is my living room and I've been using this for the whole little series. And I just can't. I can't fit my bike in the shop and I can't get it in the living room. It barely fits, so it's gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait till I'm on a trip, which is only a short way away, and I'll show you how it all straps on, top tips and things like that. But then hopefully this channel is going to be more about ventures as well, actually going outside, which I must admit, last week I managed to get away. I had 4 days to do the North Downs Way, which is really, really lovely. I took a couple of clips, but it was my first trip of the year. So I really wanted to just go and pedal. You know, when you're sort of mindlessly pedal. So most days are 50 odd miles, which is really nice. Bit of climbing in there as well. And it's just nice being in the wilds, in the woods, and with the birds and the bees. So there will be a few little updates from that next week. But then the exciting news is, in a couple of weeks' time, I actually have a week and a half off. So I'm really excited and get some really good content on this channel for you guys. And we can kind of all be adventuring together. But quick little things on that North Downs Way. I did get to try out my new tent. Full review to come and I'll take you through it. It was really, really amazing. It's so small, it's so light. It really was a winner and definitely the next step on getting a lighter weight, smaller kit. I did inherit some money, so that's why I've been buying so much kit recently. You guys have inspired me more. I want to get a bit lighter. But I do know and I really do believe it's not spend money, but I just happen to have some, so I did go out and I also bought myself a summer sleeping bag. So my winter bag, my rad bag, I absolutely love, but I have to honestly, it's a bit hot for these times of year. And this is just a little bit lighter, it packs down even smaller, so that's a real treat. But again, I need to get it out, I need to try it out, I need to give a bit of a review. It's the Sea to Summit Spark 1, but I was super excited about getting it. The old one's 5-6 years old, so I do know when I buy kit, it's going to last me the rest of my life. So I'm not going to go replacing kit just for willy-nilly of it. But if it's smaller and lighter, then maybe I'm turning into a bit of a weight weenie, a bit of a sucker. But it's not for terms of being a weight weenie, it means I can carry something else. And I do a bit of watercolour, a bit of art, and my last trip actually did a bit of watercolour during the trip. But having something lighter and smaller meant I can actually take some paint with me and a bit of paper, and I can actually have a bit more of enjoyment and try and make these trips something else for myself. They're not all about hammering along at 100 miles an hour and what mountain can I conquer. I've done that, I've been there, I've kind of done it. But now for myself, it's more kind of what can I get from them, how can I feed it back to you guys. So things are changing for me, and that last trip on the North Downs Way last week, it did kind of make me reflect upon a lot of things and what do I want from an adventure. Things have changed throughout the years, lots of things have happened in my life, for the better and worse. So yeah, we just need to just reflect upon things and move along and see where it takes us. So on that note, in a few weeks' time I have a bit of time off from work. I do have a full-time job, that's why I struggle to squeeze in doing these videos for you guys. And I thought it's my birthday week, which always every year I go and do something exciting, but due to what's going on, I just can't plan anything. It just more go for a ride from the door, which is what I did for the North Downs Way. I just rode from my door, out of London, back around the North Downs and back home again. So this, I might even try and get to Wales by bike. I don't really want to travel because of what's going on. So I might just go and pedal somewhere. But the second half of the week, I was meant to be on my own, but it's my birthday and I thought, you know what, I want to take the missus out again. So we're going to go away on a couple of days together, which is really, really lovely, which did lead me to buy yet another blimmin' tent. But again, you think about a couple of nights away in a B&B, especially at the moment, it's like 300-400 quid for 3 or 4 nights, especially in a hotel or something. So this is what that tent cost, and you know what, it's going to last me the rest of my life again. But it's the Hubba NX, so it's the bigger version of my Hubba. And again, another idea, I have a full review of it, but it means that she can have a little bit more luxury, a little bit more space. So hopefully she will really, really enjoy that, and I'll enjoy it as well. But yeah, 2 people in the one-man tent is interesting, but maybe for a few days it's a bit much. So I've also really enjoyed, you guys have been sending me photographs of you guys getting out there now. things are starting to ease up, we can all get out and about and have some great adventures. Anyone in Scotland? I've seen so many blimmin' pictures of Scotland recently, and you're all making me very, very envious. I have a trip booked in October, so hopefully things are going to start getting a bit more momentum. I'll be less in my living room and more in the wild for you guys. But I also need to work out how to film those trips. Do I film them as I used to, or do I film them a bit more of a vlog? I might do both. So yeah, let's open this up and see how it goes. But this is just a quick update. I'm sorry there's no amazing top tips in there, just how to spend more money. But yes, hope you are having amazing adventures. I know some of you are out there right now. But until next time, ciao for now.